How to use any GIF or video as your TikTok profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any GIF or video as your TikTok profile picture. Without further ado, let's get started. Just go ahead and open your TikTok application from your phone. And first, I'm going to show you how to use an actual video as your TikTok profile picture. So from your profile page, make sure that you're in your profile page. If you're in your home page or any other page, just click on this button at the bottom right corner right here that says profile, and you will get to the profile page. After that, just click on edit profile right here, and you should have this option that says change video. Just click on that and select the video you want to set as your profile picture. I'm going to select a video I want, and here you can scroll through the video and crop it as you like, and you can also trim the video, and you should select no more than 6 seconds. After you have set it up, just click on save right here at the top right corner and wait for it to process. Now it is done uploading, so that is now set as your profile picture. Now next, if you actually want to set a GIF as your TikTok profile picture, just go to Safari or any default browser you have on your phone and save any GIFs you want. So I'm just going to search for a cat GIF from Google and save a particular GIF I want to set as my TikTok profile picture. So for example, this, just press and hold on that and click on add to photos. So since TikTok only wants to have the video files as profile picture, it only allows that and not actually the GIF format. So we should convert the GIF to MP4 or to a video format. So let's just click on the search bar right here and type in GIF to MP4. So let's click on a converter right here. Let's click on this easygif.com site to convert our GIF to MP4. So let's click on choose file right here. Click on photo library if the GIF is in your camera roll. Click on the GIF and just click on choose at the bottom right corner here. Now it has been chosen. Just click on upload, and the site will convert your GIF to MP4. Now let's click on convert GIF to MP4 right here. Now if you're satisfied with the conversion, let's just click on save right here and click on download. Let's click on the download icon at the top left corner here that is in color blue and click on downloads. Let's click on the video and let's click on this button at the bottom left corner and click on save video. So now the video should be saved to your camera roll. So let's go back to TikTok and click on edit profile again. Click on change video, and select the converted video file that you just did. And now that GIF is converted into a video file, and it can now be uploaded to TikTok as your profile picture, since it is already a video. So that is how you can basically use any GIF or video as your TikTok profile picture. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.